Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. It's about a new release from Sensationnel. The wigs have been dropping, you guys, and the wigs have been literally coming back to back. There's so many new wigs that I'm excited about, newer wigs that I'm trying out for you guys. So I'm just really trying to stay on top of it and make sure you guys can see all the new drops as they come out, so you can be informed before you purchase. As you guys know, we are home on quarantine. Make sure you guys are staying in, make sure you're staying safe. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I know a lot of you guys that watch are not necessarily subscribed to my channel, but over here we do braids, we do crochets, we do wig reviews, and we do human hair reviews. So make sure you guys are subscribed. From Sensationnel is the BUTTA Lace, and it's from What Lace? Well, it's from the makers of What Lace. This is 100% premium fiber, and this is in HD lace, virtually undetectable. So the style that I have today, whoops. So I have two styles of the BUTTA Lace. I think there were 3 that came out, but I only grabbed 2. I got BUTTA Unit 1 and BUTTA Unit 2, and I have Unit 2 in the number 2, and I have BUTTA Unit 1 in Money Piece Gold. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the bob. I'm more excited about the long curly one, but I know most people love a good bob. And since it's about to be springtime, I mean, it only makes sense that we go ahead and look at some bobs. Right off the bat, this unit looks shiny to me, and it feels very, very thick in the back. I don't know, you guys, this unit is looking very, very shiny to me. It's been a cold minute since I used dry shampoo, but I think I'm going to pull my dry shampoo out for this one because this unit is looking very, very shiny to me. I do really like the color mix on this one. This is the type of color that I absolutely adore. It's the type of color that I color my own bobs in when I get them. Let's take a look at the lace. Right off the bat, this lace is very, very thin, you guys. Very thin. It is very gray in shade, but it's very thin, and the parting space is definitely pre-plucked. The parting space is definitely pre-plucked. It's like a nice thin density, and the lace is very thin as well. Let's see how the hairline lace is looking. So the lace around the hairline looks like it's okay. It's decent. Okay, it's decent, and it does come with baby hairs. It definitely comes with baby hairs. I feel like the lace around the hairline could probably use a little bit more plucking. If you want to, you definitely have that option. So let's look on the inside. So we do have a curved side part. There is a comb right next to the side part, and then a comb on the other side. The cap is completely spandex. I like these fully spandex caps. You have a comb in the back, and you have your adjustable straps. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my lace tint spray in medium brown. And this one is by Ebin. These wigs I did purchase from Elevate Styles. I will leave a link down below where you can go ahead and grab you one of these units from elevatestyles.com. All right, so after you spray the unit, this is what is given. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and that's what it's looking like now. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. I'm going to go ahead and pop this unit on and see if there's anything else that needs to be done for it, and go ahead and style it for you guys. So I definitely feel like this lace is blending pretty good. Definitely feel like it's blending pretty good, to be honest. It looks pretty decent to me. The hairline also looks pretty good to me. It definitely looks like something that looks pretty natural. Now for me, if I was to wear this in front of my ear, I'd have to cut out an ear tab, which I probably will go ahead and do. Just go ahead and cut an ear tab out. And then that way, you know, you can bring it a little closer to the front. And just lay it down. Baby hair is a little long. Baby hairs are a tad long, so you definitely gonna have to trim those. But they're very like wispy, and I like that. And I like how the hair is already going back without me having to do a whole lot of work. I like when my hair naturally just goes back like that. It leaves less work for me to have to do to mold the hair to go to the back. I'm gonna grab my Style Factor Edge Control and just style my baby hairs. I would, if I was going out or going somewhere, I would use what am I trying to say? Brain fart. My Got To Be Glued and my hairspray. But since I'm not going anywhere for demonstration purposes, I'm going to just use my edge control. Okay, so let's take this scarf off, see what we are working with. So it looks good. It definitely looks good. I like it. I do feel like the knots are pretty visible on this one. I'm gonna do a little bit of blending and see how that goes. So with blending, I think it is a little bit better. But yeah, I definitely feel like on this one, the knots are pretty prevalent. But the color is definitely fire. And I also do, yeah, I still feel like this hair is a bit shiny. So let me back up. The style of the wig, the color of the wig, and the cut, I think is literally perfection. It's probably my favorite side part bob to date. I love this one. I didn't try Kiva, to be quite honest, so I don't have it, that to compare it to, but this one isn't a lace frontal. This is a lace part. So for lace part wigs, lace part synthetic wigs, and for this price point, I think this is amazing. It's like the best that you're going to get on the market right now. If you guys feel differently, if you feel like there is another bob out there that has a bomb part like this, bomb coloring like this, and like a lace front area like this, like with no plucking and no work, this joint is like very, very laid. Like it's very laid for me not to have plucked this unit, and this is just a lace part. This is not a lace frontal wig, so your price point on this is half the price of a synthetic lace frontal wig. So I definitely think you getting your money's worth with this, sis. I would say run out and go grab this one. She's definitely cute, and I do have links down below where you can check out this one on Elevate Styles and go ahead and grab you one. Now I do have the next unit. The next unit is the BUTTA unit in number 2, in number 2 and in color number 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this one, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pop her on. I'm not gonna show you how I style it because the styling is literally gonna be identical to the way that I styled this one. So I'm just gonna show you the lace. Again, same lace. This one looks like she's a middle part. Yep, cap construction is different on this one. It's a middle part. But you definitely get some lace around the edge. You're gonna get yourself about a ½ inch to an inch of lace around the edge, and then you're also gonna get your lace parting space, which is super duper pre-plucked. Looks so natural. So again, I'm going to style this one exactly the same way, and then I'm gonna come back and show it to you guys. Alright, so this is BUTTA Lace Unit number 2. She is a little tangly on the ends, which seems like she's really dry on the ends, which I'm surprised because it's straight out the pack. So let me just comb this out real quick and see. I'm getting some hair shedded already, so that's slightly disturbing. Let me take and I did just clean this brush, so whatever I'm getting literally came from this wig. So that's what I'm getting already. This side seems to be less problematic. Wow, the curls on this unit and the layers. Wigs like this get me every single time, that just have like banging curls and like silly layers. Like, sis, this gets me every time. I knew when I saw this on the stock card though, this one was going to be for me. You don't have to lay the lace. You don't have to lay any baby hairs. This wig is ready to go, sis, straight out the package, okay? Well, let me not say that. I did spray this on here, and I did also add some powder to my stocking cap because the stocking cap was pretty obvious. Okay, just doing that just a little bit, and I feel like this side is like slightly raised up, so I'm going to turn on my curler. I'm going to turn on my curler to 380 and just flatten this a little bit. And that's pretty much it with this one. This one is so gorgeous. I knew I would like this one better than the bob. I just could tell by the stock card I'd like this one better than the bob, but I prefer long hair. I prefer hair with long layers, and I prefer hair that just, this is the type of hair I prefer. I also love a color number 2. You're not gonna really find me saying I hate a wig in a color number 2 that is long with layers. Like, it doesn't matter what it looks like I'm gonna love it. That is just my favorite type of hair. So yes, sis, let me go ahead and turn around so you can see it. Look at that body.
That's good.
She's long, all the way down to my butt. She's literally all the way down to my butt. And let me just flatten her a little bit. All right, you guys, so I laid this one flatter at the top, and yeah, I'm just pretty much in love with this one, you guys. I think she is absolutely beautiful, and I don't have any complaints for this unit. She did shed a little bit when I first took her and brushed her out, and she did tangle a little bit on the ends, so definitely watch out for that. You might need to, you know, hydrate this hair a little bit, add like a little bit of moisture. You know, you can just spray it with a very light, like serum spray, very light. Do not use heavy oil or weigh it down, but it may just need to have a little bit more hydration on it so that it can get a little more slip. Other than that, you guys, Yeah, I'm super happy with this unit. I'm super happy with the hairline on these wigs. I think the hairline and the parting space on these wigs is really, really nice. I feel like the only next step for these synthetic HD lace wigs is literally just them figuring out how to bleach the knots. Once they figure that out, like it's lights out, it's game over. Everything that you can do with the human hair wig, you know, you'll be able to do with the synthetic wig. So once they figure out that step of bleaching the knots on synthetic wigs, like it's over. It's over. So, you know, yeah. I don't know. Maybe I should come out with that. Maybe I should figure out how to do that. I don't know, y'all. Let me know. Do y'all know of any synthetic wigs that have bleach knots? Maybe that's new. Maybe that's some shit I need to patent. Anywho, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I super appreciate you guys. Do one thing for me and make sure you share this video. Share with a friend, share with a wig lover. You know what I need you to do. Share this video with your mama, okay? Sorry, that was my daughter calling me right at this moment I was doing the outro. So anyway, you guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.